It's so easy to fall behind or lose touch in an online course, so regular check-ins are going to be a must. We're going to use a point system to track your participation in the course, and participation will ultimately make up about 5% of your final grade. Now, some of you have jobs or rotations or internships that keep you from logging in to the scheduled class meetings. So I've made a point system that will include forum participation as well so that we can accommodate everybody. Now you'll start with 0 points every week, and you need to get 3 participation points that week for a perfect participation score. You're going to get 1 point every time you check into a class session. Now we're going to have really 2 class sessions a day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There'll be one at 8 to 10, and there'll be another one at 11 to 1. Now, except on exam days, you're free to check into either session. On exam days, you need to check into the session for your section. Now, you get 1 point for asking a question about any of your assignments in the help forum as well. But you'll only be awarded a point if you give me the full text to the question in your post, not just the question number. And you clearly outline what you've done to answer the question up until that point so that I can see exactly how to help you. Now, you or other students can get another point from the help session for answering a question like that. Your answer has to be helpful and it has to show some sign of being well thought out for you to earn a point. So you can't just spam the forum. You get a point also for replying to a thread in the connections forum. That thread is going to give you criteria that you'll need for a reply to count for a point, and those will vary from thread to thread there. So there's some maximums, there's some caps on how you can earn these participation points. You can get a maximum of 3 for attending class sessions. You can get a maximum of 3 for help forum activity and a maximum of 1 for connection forum activity. Now, what happens if you earn more than your 3 points max for the week? That doesn't count then in your participation grade. So 3 is the maximum you can get per week. But if you earn up to any of those maximums, the extra points beyond 3 can get applied to your next exam score as a bonus. So you can get up to a +4 bonus on your next exam per week by participating. So for example, suppose you attend 3 class sessions in a week. That gives you 3 points. Suppose you ask a question in the help forum. That would give you another point. And you respond to a thread in the connections forum in some helpful way. That would give you another point. So you've earned a total of 5 points. 3 of those points go into participation, and then you got a +2 bonus on top of that on your next exam. See how it works? If you have any questions about that, let me know. I know it sounds kind of complicated, but it really is not once you get used to it. Now, if you're not earning 3 points a week, I'm going to contact you directly and see what the trouble is. So keep that in mind. I don't want you to drift off. I don't want you to lose track of where we are in the course. In the end of the semester, your total participation grade is going to be the total number of points that you earned with no more than 3 per week counting, divided by the number of class sessions that we have, times 100%. And then that'll be weighted to 5% in the final grade.